Hey friends, if you wish to log into the router login page on Piso Wi-Fi, then please watch this video. Okay, so I don't have Piso Wi-Fi. It's used in South Asian countries. However, the path that is shown here is wrong and that's why it's causing a problem. I'll tell you the exact path. Okay, it's not three zeros here. So all you need to do is change it. It is 10.0.0.1. I'll repeat 10.0.0.1 and hit enter on any browser. It won't open on my system because I don't use Piso Wi-Fi, but you can. Okay, and now I will make the changes here so that you can see that. Okay, and I will highlight it so that you can see the exact path of the router login page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.